topic is on definition of function. Let x and y be the two non-empty sets. A subset f of x into y is called function from x to y for every x belongs to capital X and there exists a unique y belongs to capital Y such that xy belongs to f, or we say y is equal to fx. For example, x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and y is a, b, c, d. Then subset f is 1a, 2b, 3c and 4b is a function from x to y. For each x belongs to x, we have y belongs to y such that y is equal to fx. Above function is also represented in the following figure. There is a one set x, there is another set y. X has element 1, 2, 3, 4, y has element a, b, c, d. So 1 to a, 2 to b, 3 to c and 4 to b. 4 to b is a function. Okay, and that x, the set x is called domain of f, is written as df, that is x, and y is called codomain of f. And if the element y belongs to capital Y is associated with an element x belongs to fx under the rule f, then y is called image of x under the rule f denoted by fx. The set consisting of images of all the elements of x under f is called image set or range of f and is written as Rf. So Rf is fx such that x belongs to x is equal to fx, or Rf is equal to y is equal to fx where x belongs to capital X is equal to fx. Clearly fx is subset of y. In the above example, domain is 1, 2, 3, 4, range is abc and codomain is a, b, c, d. Okay, what is range? Why abc? Because x 1 is belongs to a, b, 2 is belongs to b, 3 is belongs to c and 4 is again belongs to b. So whatever the correlation, so that is the range. I hope you understand. Kindly like, subscribe and share my channel.